It's only 4 degrees out, but I feel it's true. And I cannot find the moon. The stars are little pinpricks, but neither of us is wounded, neither of us is sick. Everybody's wounded, everybody's sick. I say that neither one of us is wounded, neither of us is sick. We're gonna be so cruel to you, we're gonna be so mean. I'm gonna catch you when you're falling through, I'm gonna throw you like a trampoline.
Throw me like a trampoline, skip me like a stone, shake me like a tambourine, and let it back to stop. Oh, you don't know the punches I've been thrown. It's all living to me. Dream me up a Palomino, put me down on that plane. I see there's a shadow moving across the lake. Step into our time, Daddy. Hurry, don't be late. I'm ready now. We're gonna be so cruel to you, we're gonna be so mean. I'm gonna catch you when you're falling through, I'm throwing you like a trampoline. Some strength, we got some spine, we got some trust, we got some wine. We don't seek shelter, we just want time. Give us just a little time, just a little time, just a little time, just a little time. We're gonna be so cruel to you, we're gonna be so mean. I'm gonna catch you when you're falling through, I'm throwing you like a trampoline. This next one's called Galaxy Ballroom.
What's that mean? I don't understand. Is some kind of metaphor? Some kind of one of them allegorical songs. God.
live in real time.
Years floated by like cotton seeds. Now the long-legged two-stepper turned 73. Oh, and she's watching the birches give up their leaves, staring out of the back window. Ooh. 6 summers gone and 6 winters wide since the sweet dancing fool he lay down and died. Oh, but the shadow of a sparrow catches her eye as it flickers across the snow. Welcome to the Galaxy Ballroom. One step for the sun and one step for the moon, and it's one step for everlasting June. That's the forever love and all time lovers wild. Dance them away. Now she ain't danced a step since his dying day. Oh, but she whispers to herself the words he did say, just as death was knocking at his door. So fantastic, don't you settle it with sorrow. Oh, I fly today, honey, you'll fly tomorrow. They're putting stardust on the ballroom floor.